Hello guys, so today the project I will show you is air conditioner system IoT based project of computer networks. So first of all I will take a home gateway and I will place it to the here, and then I will take a PC and place it here, and then I will take a smartphone and I will place it to the here, and then I will take a air conditioner. Here you can all can search from here, so I will place that to the here, and then I will take a thermostat. Yes, there you can see it, so I will place it to the here, and then I will take a miniature monitor, so then I will place it to the here, and then I will take a temperature monitor. Yes, here you can see it, so these all can connect it to the home gateway, so you can see it. I will show you all of them how this can be connected, so you can go all of them and click the advanced button and you can see it, and then you go into the IO configure and you can see it automatically selected PI IoT and MW1. So, and here you can see it air conditioner. Then I will again go to the advanced and see IO configure, then also select W1, and then go to the configure. You can see it DHCP always open and wireless, and then you go to the wireless and see SSID, the home gateway. The ID of the home gateway is already written here, so you can see it. I will show you rest of them, and then we go to thermostat and click the advanced button, and then you can see IO configure. This one also select W1 PIOT based, and then you will go to configure, and you can see it. Go to the wireless, and yes, you can see it. The home gateway was already written here, and then we'll go to the miniature monitor, and you can see it advanced, and then click IO configure, and you can see it PIOT already written here. So then I will go to the configure, and I will show you in a wireless home gateway is already connected. So now, now I will connect a thermostat to the air conditioner. I will show you. Now I will connect to the home gateway to the smartphone. Now I will go to the smartphone and then click desktop and go to configure. Desktop, after I will go to the configure, go into the wireless. I will set SSID. uh, I will minimize it and then go to the home gateway. I will go to it and capture it ID, and then I will come to smartphone and place it to the here, so you can see it. So I will select it this home gateway wireless home gateway already written, you can see it. Yes, there is home gateway. So I will come to wireless. There is SSID, you can see it here. You can copy it from here and then place it to the wireless 0, you can see it here. So I will place it to here. So you can see it. I will place it to the here. So you can see it. I will connect the SSID of home gateway to the smartphone, and then I will come to the physical again desktop. All you can see it. You can see DSSP on, automatically on, disabled. And then and then you can see it. Home gateway also connected to the smartphone. So next I will connect to the thermostat to the air conditioner. So I will select a wire from here. So I will take a wire. Yes, there you can see it. So I will connect D0 connected to the connected to D2 port. So I will connect it to the D2 port. Yes, you can see it automatically connected because you can see it in specifications. They are going to say connect D0 to the thermostat D2 slot. So as you can see it, I will connect the D0 to the D2 slot. Next, I will next you can show it. I will on and off them with the smartphone. So then I will go to the thermostat, then go to the IO configure, and you can see it. I will connect with the smart device. So next I will connect with go into the think editor, and you can see that there are cool heat for two options. So I will go to digital and take a slot number so you can see it. I will take a slot number 0. So slot 0 had been selected. So next I will go to the add component. Add component. So I will select it from here. So first of all I will take a first component AC off and placed it to the here. You can see it, AC off has been placed. Then I will take next component AC on. Then I will also place it to the here. So it is slot 0. So next I will remove it. I will show you again. So I will take a next slot 1, and then I will take a AC on and placed it here. You can see it. So next I will take a new slot mode digital. Then I will take a slot 2. Then I will take a new blower high. I will take it and place it here, and you can see it here. Then when I will off it, then I will take a next slot number 3, and take a next blower off. Then I will place it to the here. Next, I will come to smartphone in desktop. Now, then I will come to the configure. Then I will to physical in configure. I will come to the smartphone. In come to the wireless. I will come into configure, and I will come to the desktop and open IOT device. Then you can see it, there are too much many options. Then I will open the IoT device. So I will come to the smartphone and go to the desktop in configuration, and then smartphone has been, you can see the DHCP all bit gateway and all these things are connected. So now I will come to the air conditioner, and in air conditioner I will configure the home gateway. I will come to the configure, and in this DHCP was already on, then home gateway has been selected and on. Then I will come to the smartphone and on the desktop and click IoT monitor. Yes, you can see it. I will select a IoT monitor. I will log in it. You can see it. You can see it. There are AC on. Yes, it is on. You can see it. It means it is on. Then it means it is cooling. Yeah, that you can see it. It will green. So now I will pack it. Or next, next I will go to the I will go to thermostat Yes, you can see it. This will be digital, or you can see it. You can see it. I will connect the four images, four thermostats. I will easily connect all of them. So if I want to add more component, I will take a new slot number 4, and add a blower off, and then I will place it to the here. No, I think I will take blower has already been taken, so I will take a new one, blower low. So I will place it to the here. So if I take a slot number 5, and then I will take a new uh, yes, here you can see it. There is a cool heat option, so I will take it. Yes, you can see it. You can I will there is the option cool it. You can also cool and heat from there. So then I will again come to smartphone and come into IoT monitor. Yes, you can see it. Here AC is on and it has been cooling. So for next I will connect a home gateway to the PC. You can see it wire has been connected. Now this wire has not been taken. I need to take another wire. Mm, I will need to connect this wire, this, and then I will come to PC and come to configure. I will connect it to the fast Ethernet. Then it also has been DSCP. You can see it. I will link it static. DHCP has been on and it will be static. So next I will come to desktop. Then I will come into IP configuration. So now I will write a IP address. It is an already has been given. So I will back it from here, and then I will again go to PC and then I will go to PC and go into IP configure. Then I will, you can see it is automatically DHCP. If you want to connect it, you can already select a static and it has been already connected to with you. So then I will go to the I will go to then I will go to IoT monitor. Then I will go to IoT monitor. Yes, it will be again. I will log in it and you can see it. It will show a PTC IoT 0 and it will be connected and you can see it here is it has been on. So so basically this is all about the project. You can see it will be on and it will be give you conditions. You can see it add actions editor. You can easily edit which one you want and conditions. If you see it here, I will add it. So there are conditions enabled. All these things can be easily used in this project. So this is all the project. So I hope you can understand it. So thank you.